Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super excited about this. Got this in the mail this week. This is a Parkit Carrier 13K. It is an electric trailer dolly. Got my handy dandy controller right here. Let's see if we can fire this dude up and see what she's gonna do. All right, we got 12.8 volts. And battery looks to be 100%. I'm liking it. It is on slow. So let's see which direction it's gonna go. All right, I'm sure I'm gonna mess this up. Okay, that's forwards. We're gonna ease it on back. Gotcha. So we have two joysticks. It goes back on both sides. So let's see what's going to happen as it hits the end of the pallet. All right, that's slow speed. Let's see what fast will do. Oh yeah, fast is moving.